Hello all. In this session, we will see the management introduction, that is module 1, with the subject code 18ME51. First, we shall see the objectives for the introduction. That is, here in this subject, mainly that is the management and engineering economics, we need to study the history of the management and the roles of the managers and the basic concepts and principles of the management and the decision making steps, that is planning steps, various different types of planning steps, and to understand the types of plans and to analyze the nature and importance of planning and to know the levels in the planning. So these are the main objectives in this module. This is the introduction. That is, in today's tough and uncertainty economy, a company needs strong managers to lead their staffs towards completing their business goals or projects. But managers are more than a leaders here, but there are problem solvers and also their leaders and planners as well. But managers fulfill many roles and have many different responsibilities at each level of management within an organization. In this chapter, and like we also discover different roles and functions, but you also find the truth about several common misconceptions about the management. We will see the describe the things about roles and functions about the management here. The mainly first we need to know the meaning of the management. That is, management is an important element in each and every organization, and also it is the element of that coordinates current organization activities, and also it plans for the future for the completion of any project. And the management adopts the organization to its environment, and also it shapes the organization to make more suitable the plans or a projects to the organization. But in our management there are different meaning with their own conceptions with the different the authors. That is, management is the art of knowing what you wanted to do and then seeing that is done is for the best and in the cheapest way. So this is according to F.W. Taylor. So in the cheapest way or in the best way, how the things can be done. So this is his intention. And according to the George R. Terry, management as a process consisting of planning, organizing, actuating, controlling, or performed to determine and accomplish the objective by the use of people and resources. So in his view, the planning, organizing, actuating, and controlling, that is, it is coming in the step by step, the order, one order. So to accomplish the things to be done or to complete the project. So the nature, next one, nature and the characteristics of the management. So what will be the natures and the characteristics of the management? That is, like, management is an universal activity, and also it's an integral process, and it involves decision making mainly, and also it should coordinate with all the activities and also with the resources. And management is a decision making process, and the decisions are involved in all the function of the management. And mainly it integrates the men, machines, and materials, like to carry out the operations of the enterprise, and also to achieve the stated objective, that is, which whatever the target is there, to achieve that. So it will be going to integrate with all the men, machines, and the materials. And also it is concerned with all the activities and resources, and also it will coordinate with the activities and resources, and also with the various functions to achieve that objective or to complete that task or a project in the organization or in the enterprise also. And also it manages, like, irrespective of the enterprise in which they are working and the place in the organization, makes use of the management principles. So the management principles, so it, as we see that saw, that is, it is a universal activity. So organizations makes use of management principles. So there will be a certain principles to follow, a mandatory in the organization, so it will be a universal activity. And also it is a confirmed profession, that is, because there are established principles of management which are being applied in practice, and also it is concerned with the direction and the control, and also motivating. It is concerned with the direction and control of various activating the enterprise to attain the business objective or to achieve the goals. And also it is a tangible, that is, before starting any project, like it should there will be a certain abstract related to that. The same way, it is the abstract, and also cannot be seen with the eyes, and also it is the evidenced like by the quality of organization, and also it results such as increased productivity or increased in the economy, or in such cases, so there will be a increased productivity. So that's why it is a tangible. Next, scope of the management. The scope of the management, there is a different roles, I mean different areas having different types of scope in the management. So that is development management, distribution management, financial management, marketing management, production management, office management, and the transport management. So as I said, it's a scope of management in the management system. So all the fields are interrelated with each other. So financial management and the marketing management, or the production or distribution, there will be a different sections. So all the management activities are interrelated with each other, so need to manage in such a way, so the accomplishment of the project or completion of any task should be done within the stipulated time, so that the scope of the management is going to satisfy. Thank you.